Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to learn about arithmetic operators in Python. Arithmetic operators are symbols that perform basic mathematical operations on numbers. They work with both integers and floating point numbers. In Python, the most commonly used arithmetic operators are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, modulus, and exponentiation. Let us now open PyCharm. Let's create a new folder and name it Operators. Right-click on the Operators folder, choose New and then Python file. Let's name the file as arithmetic_operators. We will now write our program step by step. First, we will create two variables to use in our examples. We type a equals 15. On the next line, we type b equals 4. These are the two numbers we will use in all operations. Let's begin with addition. Addition is done using the plus symbol. We type print within parentheses and inside quotes addition : comma, then a plus b. This will add the two numbers and display the result. Let us now run the program. If a is 15 and b is 4, addition will give us 19. So the output will be addition 19. Next, subtraction. Subtraction uses the minus symbol. We type print within parentheses and inside quotes subtraction : comma, then a minus b. This subtracts b from a. Let us now run the program again. With a as 15 and b as 4, subtraction will give us 11. The output will be subtraction 11. Next, multiplication. Multiplication uses the asterisk symbol. We type print within parentheses and inside quotes multiplication : comma, then a star b. This multiplies a and b together. Let's run the program. 15 multiplied by 4 equals 60. The output will be multiplication 60. Next, division. Division uses the / symbol. We type print within parentheses and inside quotes division : comma, then a/b. This divides a pi by b and returns a floating point result. Let's run the program. 15 divided by 4 equals 3.75. The output will be division 3.75. Next, floor division. Floor division uses two /. We type print within parentheses and inside quotes floor division : comma, then a/b. This divides a by b but only keeps the integer part, ignoring the decimal. Let's run the program. 15 divided by 4 equals 3.75, but floor division will give us only the integer 3. The output will be floor division 3. Next, modulus. The modulus operator uses the % symbol. We type print within parentheses and inside quotes modulus : comma, then a%b. This returns the remainder after division. Let's run the program. When 15 is divided by 4, the remainder is 3. The output will be modulus 3. Next, exponentiation. Exponentiation uses two asterisks. We type print within parentheses and inside quotes exponent : comma, then a*b. This calculates a raised to the power of b. Let's run the program. 15 raised to the power of 4 equals 50,625. The output will be exponent 50,625. Let's wrap up. We have now learned all the arithmetic operators in Python: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, modulus, and exponentiation. By practicing each operator individually and running the program after each step, you can clearly see how they work. These operators are the foundation of all mathematical calculations in programming, and once you master them, you will find them everywhere in real projects whether in finance, data analysis, or even game development. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.